Right, welcome back to another Steve Does Thursdays, but this is on a Sunday. Right, I've challenged myself to do something a little bit different. You can see there are 6 boxes, and they are Kershaws Frozen Foods Meals. They're in Farmfoods at the moment, and have been for quite a while, to be honest. They're doing 6 for £10. So I said to Pen, I'm going to get 6 and I'm going to eat them through Sundays to Friday and see if I can survive. Can you spend £10 on 6 separate meals and see and wake up Saturday morning basically and not hungry? That might be the issue. But what have we got? We have fish and chips and mushy peas, I believe. Yep. We have steak pie chips with carrots and peas. Chicken curry, rice and chips. There's a growing theme to these meals. Barbecue pork rib steak and chips with barbecue sauce and baked beans. And it's currently Sunday, as I might have said. So today I will be having beef dinner with roast potatoes, carrots, peas and Yorkshire pudding and gravy. Look at that. And an all-day breakfast with sausages, beans, fried potatoes, breakfast ham, scrambled eggs and tomatoes. So, obviously, I'm filming this today and I will be having the roast beef. But you won't be seeing these until the following week because I want to do them all and then put them on and then they'll be on each day. So, please come back and see how we get on. But 6 days, 6 meals, £10. What do you reckon? See you soon.